This guy is a unique farmer because he's going to do something that no farmer will think of. He's gonna close his farm, his main source of income, for an entire year. During this year, he's gonna give all his goods without profit, and he's barely going to touch the land. And he's not the only one. There are many farmers in Israel doing the same exact thing. But why they do it, and what stands behind it?
שלום, אני אברהם, אני במשפחה של חקלאים, אנחנו משתדלים לשמור שמיטה בארץ ישראל.
In the country of Israel, once every 7 years, some farmers are taking 1 year off, and for an entire year they're giving the land to rest. For an entire year. This act called Shemitah. And it's a tradition that kept in Israel for thousands of years, for generations actually. And not many people know about it, and it's beautiful.
It's an expression of gratitude to God and Mother Earth for all the abundance we had in the past 6 years. And it's a desire to share this abundance with everyone who needs it. For 6 years we received so much from the land, so for the 7th year we let her rest, regenerate and restore her minerals.
The farmers that keep Shemitah consider the vegetables and the fruits that grow in this year, they consider them everyone product. It means that for the entire year, people can come inside their farm and take some fruit for themselves completely for free. Now this is very beautiful in theory, I know, but in reality, it can be very difficult because those farmers doesn't make any income for the entire year.
The farmers believe that during the Shemitah year they cannot make profits from the fruits and vegetables that grow. But in order for them not to lose, they can sell the goods at cost for the community. And because this act is so inspiring, there is a huge community for which this principle is important.
This community helped the farmer by buying from him all the goods at cost. Like that, the farmer doesn't make money, but also doesn't lose, which is the most important.
This is a real example of a win-win. Thanks to the support of the community, those farmers can preserve such a beautiful tradition for years, which leaves us appreciating the land and the abundance we're getting from it. And it's a real proof of how amazing things we can do when we unite forces and act together as a community.
I think it's a great example of how a decision you make on your personal life can have a real impact on the community around you and on nature. Think about it.